Elgato has sent me the Key Light Mini to try out. Let's try and unpack it. Okay, this is whole. So here's the key light. And it seems like there is also this manual in it. Key Light Mini. Empty. So here it is. They don't use plastic with Elgato because they don't want plastic waste. Boom. It's pretty small, and you see the diffusion being on here already. And the other one I have, you actually see the light itself, and that means that you don't have a lot of diffusion, which means you're gonna get a lot of harsh shadows. Seems like there's an on-off button here, and things to make it harder and softer. I don't see buttons for color on here, but I know you can link it to the Elgato app for your lights, and you can actually set all the color temperatures and stuff like that in the app as well. There will be some indicators for light and Wi-Fi here in the back as well. Okay, what's more in the box? Get connected. I guess you rip this open, and there is a wire. I'm guessing that's for charging, and I think this is the warranty. Yeah, the rest is empty. It's just a USB cable, I think. Oh, yeah, USB to USB-C, but then with a crooked USB-C. I think it's easier to put it in this way. Ah, yeah, so you can go to the back. So you put it in, and the wire's actually at the back instead of the side. You can load it in your USB port, or you have like one of those USB adapters that go to like a power socket and then put it in your power supply. Okay, let's see if it turns on already. Oh, yeah, it turns on already. Pretty nice light source. See, we can dim it quite a bit. This is a really soft light. Let's see how bright we can get it. Okay, this is pretty bright. Look at how bright this is, guys. Oh, oh, you can make spooky tales like this. Yeah, so this is pretty bright. We can connect it. I'm gonna take it down a bit because I'm gonna lose my eyes if I keep it this bright. And we can connect it to the Wi-Fi, and then we can use our phone or PC to actually set the color temperature. So if you want it more yellow or more blue, we can set that with our phone or with the PC. We're just gonna open the Control Center app. If you haven't downloaded it, make sure to download it because then you can set more options. And then we're gonna add accessories. And it's just gonna search, and it found the Elgato Mini light now, and we're gonna connect that right now. Now I need to put in my password, so I'm not gonna film that. And it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Oh, the light's starting to, you know, flicker. I think that means that we have found the right light. Maybe if you have multiple, you want to see which one you're actually connecting, because obviously you don't know which number it is. Here on the back we can see how full the battery is. It's like 3 out of 5 right now. So it does come quite loaded into the package, so you can start using it immediately, but if you want to use it for an extended period of time, make sure to load it before starting to use it. So you can see the battery life in the app here as well, and we can set it, we can set the temperature. Now it's all the way blue. We can turn it up, turn it down with the app. We can set it all the way to orange. Don't know how much of a difference you see because it's like super bright now, but let's turn it down. You might see the difference a little better. It is hard to see on the camera, but it might be better to see like on my face. So now it's yellow, now it's blue. You can see the difference in the color temperature, right? It kind of works the same as the Elgato Key Light. That's why it's called the Elgato Key Light Mini. To be honest, these lights can be pretty annoying to put on your camera. It can be quite a hassle, especially if you need diffusion in front of it. This one doesn't need diffusion in front of it, so that's a very big plus. I don't think I've seen anything for the screw sides, so it seems like there is no attachment on the left or the right side, so you need to attach it on the bottom. And it just has a normal attachment for tripods, or the tripods that come with the Elgato Key Light, for example, you can put them on here, but also for cameras. However, for cameras you need something underneath it to put it on your camera. And I don't see that in the package. Making sure that I've seen everything, okay? Yeah, no, it's not in here. That's not included. So if you want to use it on a camera, you need an attachment that lets you put this LED light on your camera, but because now it doesn't have a way to actually attach, you shouldn't have too much trouble with it. However, I would have preferred if that came with the actual light for people that want to use it on the go.